welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this look that you guys see right here. I created this look with the 3503 Fierce by Nature palettes by Morphe. I used like all the eyeshadows I used are from this eyeshadow palette. It was a little bit of a struggle because normally with my looks I use different eyeshadow palettes, as you saw on my last video, but I wanted to challenge myself and only use one eyeshadow palette for a makeup look, so I decided to use this one because I didn't I've had it for a while, but I haven't had the time to really create anything only with this eyeshadow palette. If you guys would like to see how I did this look, please keep on watching. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram at Kathia Gisell. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Bye.